You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly from Spanish, one of the basic words in Spanish, meaning tomorrow. How do you say tomorrow? In Spanish, it actually also means the morning, okay? So yeah, it's a bit different. It means both tomorrow and morning. Mañana, the Spanish pronunciation, ma-ña. The N with a tilde on it is pronounced ñ, like GN. Ma-ña-na. The stress is on the second syllable, the ñ syllable. How to pronounce mañana. If you want to say see you tomorrow or see you in the morning, it'll be mañana. Ma-ña-na. Mañana is how to say tomorrow in Spanish. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.